Hello, my name is Katie Maringer, and I'm in SPCE 611. This is my presentation on functional analysis. So we will be talking about what is a functional analysis, the basics, conditions of a functional analysis, some considerations, and at the end you'll be able to ask any questions. So what is a functional analysis? A functional analysis is a type of functional assessment that uses direct manipulation of antecedents and consequences in order to identify the function of behavior. So the question is, why does the behavior occur? It's used to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of behavioral supports. So it helps us determine which interventions we can place in order to increase or decrease behaviors. And then it is conducted when the behavior interferes with the individual's own learning or the learning of others, or presents danger to self or others. So just some basics of the functional analysis. There are 5 conditions which are contrived to resemble common environments that occur naturally. So these conditions are play, which is the control condition, attention, alone, escape, and tangible. The play condition is also the control condition, so this serves as a comparison for all other conditions. This is where no demands are presented and the individual has free access to attention and tangibles. For the attention condition, the question that's asked is, does the behavior occur in order to access social attention from others? So during this condition, attention is withheld, but then it is provided when the target behavior occurs. So it can be in the form of reprimands or soothing comments. And then high rates of behavior in this condition can mean that the behavior is maintained by social attention. The next is the alone condition. So the question asked is, does the behavior occur when the individual is alone? So during this condition, the individual is left alone for a period of time. Depending on the individual, the therapist will either be outside the room or inside the room while not interacting with the individual. So this just depends on the behavior that you're tracking. And if the target behavior occurs during this condition, it could mean that the behavior is maintained by automatic reinforcement. The next is the escape condition. So again, the question will be, is the behavior used to escape demands? So during this condition, a non-preferred activity is presented, and then a break is provided following the target behavior. And high rates of behavior during this condition means that reinforcement is provided from the escape of the actual demand. Next is the tangible condition. So the question is the behavior maintained by access to tangibles? So access to tangibles is withheld and provided following the target behavior during this condition, and then high rates of behavior occur during this condition in order to access tangibles. So just some considerations for the functional analysis. Each condition is typically contrived at least 3 to 5 times. Sessions can last anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, and then sessions are conducted one at a time. So functional analysis of self-interest behaviors will require the use of blocking and redirecting methods during every condition. So ethically, we cannot just let a kid engage in self-interest behaviors, so we would need to block and redirect during those instances, while also still finding the function of behavior. We've been able to talk about what a functional analysis is, the basics, and the conditions of a functional analysis. And so now, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and then I will get back to you when I can.